All right, let's try this again. This is slide 8 of day 2 of the applications of the Euler number. So this first part here, you're going to have to find E from the first part of the information, and then you're going to go back and plug in 98.6 as the final temperature. So in this first part, you're going to find K, and then once you find K, you're going to put this as the final temperature and then find T. I don't think I said that right at first. So we're going to find the K value using the first part of the information. Once you find the K value, then you're going to use this as the initial temperature, and then plug in the K and you'll find T. So the first part of the problem, the final temperature of the body is 76.8. So 76.8. And then the room temperature is 74. And then plus initial temperature of the body is up here, 78.3. And then the minus the ambient temperature, the room temperature. Then E, and you don't know what K is, so you're going to find out what it is. And the amount of minutes they're talking about here is 60 minutes, or you can use 1 hour, I guess, and then the answer will be in hours. But if you convert 1 hour to 60 minutes, then you'll get your final answer in minutes. So we're trying to find out what K is with this first part of the information. So if I subtract 74 from both sides, I have 2.8 equals, and then 78.3 minus 74 is 4.3 E exponent, and then negative 60K. And then we'll solve this for K, so divide by 4.3. And equals E to the negative 60K. And then change this to log. So natural log 2.8 over 43, or 4.3, equals negative 60K. And then finally, divide both sides by negative 60. So natural log 2.8 over 4.3. You want to divide that whole expression by negative 60. And that equals K. Okay, approximately, I need a calculator. Here, I did it right here. Natural log of 2.8 over 24.6. Let me see if that's the same. No. So 2.8 over 4.3. Divided by negative 60. That's from a previous problem. That's other. So 0.007 is my K value. Oh, how many zeros are there? 2. All right, so now I'm going to use that K value with the rest of the information here. So the initial temperature is 98.6 now. So everything else is the same here. So the final temperature of the body is 76.8. And the ambient temperature is 74. The initial temperature of the body before, while someone's living, is 98.6. E and then exponent negative 0.007 T. So here we're trying to find the time. So I have 2.8. So very similar to the first part. Subtract 74 again, and 98.6 minus 74 is 24.6. And then E exponent negative 0.007 T. And 2.8 24.6 equal E exponent negative 0.007 T. And once again, change this to log, so natural log. 0.8, 24.6 equal negative 0.007 T. So finally divide by the K value there. All right, so go back to my calculator here. So we're going to use this equation here. Change this to my K value. And you get 310 0.45 minutes. This is around to 310. Or that would be 5 hours and 10 minutes.